What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Ford Mills, Zane. I'm back with another video, man. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing something different, you feel me? Trying to get into my YouTube bag, you feel me? I'm gonna be doing hygiene haul, so you feel me? It's back to school season, so you feel me? Like, y'all gotta be fresh, y'all gotta be hygienic, bro. Especially if y'all plan on, talking to girls or being around females or friends or whatnot. You don't want to be stinking. You don't want to be breath stinking, skin not clear, none of that. So just stay tuned for the vlog, the little vid, you feel me? Quick little vid. If you like it, like, comment, subscribe. If you new, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, all that. XBuck23 linked in the description. Yeah, man, let's get straight into the vid. I ain't gonna waste y'all time. Go. Alright, man, as y'all can see, we getting out the web. We got CVS with it. I'm finna try and get some little things that I need. Secured, man. Hey, finna head back to the crib, and I got some more stuff at the crib that I already had, like that I already bought but haven't opened, and I'm gonna just go ahead and do that for y'all and show y'all what I got and what I use everything for. So I should be back home in like 5-10 minutes, so tight beat. All right, y'all, so boom, man. I'm gonna do a little haul for y'all. Hold on, let me get this out the bag. Just like some soaps and like just your daily essentials that you'll need, bro. So I'm gonna start with all the soaps because I got mostly soaps. So as y'all see right here, I got the Method Man, just the Sea and Surf, and then I also got the Method Man Glacier and Granite. These two is really good, I ain't gonna lie. I used this one all last year. And I got a lot of compliments on how I smell, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie, this brand of soap really make you feel like you clean. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you feel crispy, if that makes sense. Like, you feel minty fresh, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know how to explain it, but like, it's like your skin be whistling. Like, I don't know how to explain it, it's weird, but like, hey. Then I got my Bath and Body Works collection. I got Graphite, got Ocean, and I got North. I haven't tried none of these yet. I mean, Bath and Body Works had a sale. Last year I went with this, which is a body spray, but I had it in the soap form. It smelled really good, the Legend, and I'm trying that. So, I mean, hey, you ballin' on the budget, you gotta smell good on the budget. You don't gotta have all the expensive stuff, even though that last brand was kinda expensive, but yeah, man, them are my 3 soap brands. Since we in soap, I'm gonna just do all the scents. I got this like a scented lotion. It smells good, but I ain't gonna lie, when I put it on my skin, like I feel like it's too strong. Like I feel like it's overwhelming. Like if you put this on your whole like arms and chest and stuff, like I feel like you're gonna smell too strong. So I don't really recommend like the Bath and Body Works like scented lotion, but I mean, to each its own. I just don't like that real strong smell. I got my body sprays from Bath and Body Works. These are used, but I used Teakwood and Legend last year, got a bunch of compliments on that stuff, so I'm telling you, you don't got to be having on the Dior Sauvage and the Versace cologne. I mean, I have those things, but you don't need them to. I'm showing y'all how to do this on a budget, you feel me, like without breaking your pockets, because 9 times out of 10, yeah, I'm making a video. All right, 9 times out of 10, you're a broke college student. You don't got money to be buying with like expensive colognes and stuff like that, but you still want to smell good. Like the amount of times I done went out and got compliments on how I smell good. Like a smell good compliment is a top tier compliment. It's dang near better than like somebody saying you look good. Like saying you smell good, top tier compliment. It make you feel yourself for real. I also went with just like cologne from Bath and Body Works. I mean, it was on sale, so I I got it. That's too much packaging. I ain't gonna take it. I have not tried this yet, so it's an experiment. But you feel me? Bath and Body Works sponsor me. I'm shouting y'all out for free. So yeah, man. Oh, here's like an everyday soap I use. You can get this from like Costco or wherever, Walmart, whatever. This is like an everyday, like after practice shower with this, like just some chill vibes. The other things is for like if I'm going out or if I really wanna, you feel me, spell spliffy, like if I wanna smell real good. The deodorant I use, y'all don't gotta be overdoing it, bro. I go with the speed stick. This alone, if you wash with what I just used, what I just showed you, and this alone, bro, you'll smell good. The other stuff is a bonus, like, but I get compliments on, bro, people ask me what cologne I use, and I be wearing this, like, how you supposed to, you feel me, like, but yeah. Man, I'm rough though, I ain't gonna lie. I just realized I don't got no cut, I'm gonna retwist. Starting my lock journey, I'm gonna have some lock videos soon, I ain't gonna lie. I got off topic. Anyway, now we gonna get into like the facial and like dental stuff. I use this. This will boost your confidence. The TheraBreath, make sure you get the fresh breath one. Well, you can get whatever you need it for, but I like the fresh breath one. It really will boost your confidence, like, no cap, like this lasts like half the day, I ain't gonna lie, like, this is very solid. I got put onto this like a year ago by TikTok. Shout out TikTok, man. I mean, it's been doing good ever since. My toothpastes that I bought, I just bought some random toothpaste. They all do the same thing, like Sensodyne charcoal, and then I got the optical white coat. Yeah, I mean, you could buy Walmart brand toothpaste as long as you brush your teeth. Got some Vaseline, gotta stay moisturized. You did the melanin, looking good. You feel me? I use different stuff on my face, but for my body, I use Vaseline. You gotta have some carbonate. I got a bunch of these. This is just a used one I pulled out of my pocket because I didn't feel like pulling out the other ones. But you definitely, I got a notification. You definitely wanna use Carmex. You don't wanna talk to no girls and you got chapped lips. That's just an instant no-no because if you got chapped, if I see a girl and she got chapped lips, I'm assuming everything else is just off with her. So, hey, your appearance really matters. It doesn't matter if you like you don't gotta think, you don't gotta care what nobody think, but you still shouldn't you should carry yourself in an up-like manner. Like, I don't know how to explain it, man. It's self-explanatory, man. I got some little baby wipes or wipes, just cause like you never know, like when you gotta, like I keep these in my book bag because you never know when you don't got time to take a shower. You could quickly like wipe your armpits or wipe your, you feel me, your private area and do what you gotta do. But I mean, that's like for emergencies. Like, you can also use it when you're using the restroom as well. It's basically just for like emergency purposes. You gotta clean your face or something real quick. They're not like disinfectant wipes. They're just like some little wipes where you can clean yourself off if you need to. And yeah, my skin moisturizer, soap that I'm using is this. I use the foam version. I use the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, and that's pretty much what I use. Like, it does pretty good. I go to the dermatologist, so they kind of give me like medicines for my skin to make it better. It's not the best right now, but I'm gonna get there. So yeah, man, that was pretty much it for this video. Future video I got coming up, I moved to school on the 3rd, so I'm gonna probably do a get ready with me for move-in day, and then like a move-in day vlog, and like let y'all meet my teammates and stuff like that. I don't know though yet, but I'm gonna do something in that area. I gotta do something for like college move-in. Like, I feel like that's a good video topic for around this time of the year. I'm gonna do that. And then besides that, comment some like video ideas. Like, I be wanting to vlog and stuff, but like I know y'all don't know me, so it's like y'all not finna just watch a random person just record their life, well, unless y'all are. But drop me some comments, drop me some ideas. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on the gram. You can find me on all socials besides YouTube at Exabuck23, TikTok, Instagram, Exabuck23. My YouTube is Fort Jose. I may change it back to Exabuck23, but I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments on that too. I ain't gonna lie. Comment Fort Mill or Exabuck. And yeah, man, that's enough for today's video. Hope y'all having a blessed day. Hope I made y'all day a little bit better. Gave y'all some free game on what to do, what to wear, and what to buy. So yeah, man, we'll wrap the